welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I am just gotten ready for the day. I'm heading to the bank and then I'm heading up to my mom-in-law's to do some work. First I gotta get some gas, so I'll get some gas and then I can just kind of catch up with you guys. Also, I hope you all had an amazing Christmas. It's so great to see everyone posting their pictures and their videos of like Christmas Day. Because of COVID and whatnot, it makes it hard to like be able to be with your family. So social media has been really great with that. But yeah, it is currently 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm just now leaving the house. It's terrible, but it is what it is. It's not as cold as it has been these past couple of days. It's 42 degrees right now, so it's kind of warm-ish compared to what it has been. We've been having cold weather. It's a shame. I thought we would have had like a white Christmas, but with the way that the temperature is going, because it keeps getting lower and lower and more snow is coming into the mountains, we'll probably have a white January. But today I finally pulled myself together and put some makeup on, got dressed, brushed my hair, you know, the good old stuff. I'm just gonna quickly deposit some money into my bank account because I've gotten paid, and then I will check in. I seriously need to get some power steering fluid in this car. Oh, someone's getting pulled over. Oh, that's an ambulance. I'll show you. Never mind, right as I went to show you, they kind of disappeared. Today's pretty doom and gloom, but it's not a cold day today, so that's good. All I can ask for.
Chasing stars, you live in the moment, carried away from who you are. You're caught up in nothing, wasting your time, chasing stars. You live in the moment, carried away from who you are. 'Cause you're lost in illusions, dreams and confusion. Oh, yeah. Chasing stars, you live in the moment, carried away from who you are. 'Cause you're lost in illusions, dreams and confusion. Oh yeah, you keep falling faster, straight for disaster.
So guys, I need some advice, like big time. I am not good with online shopping and I'm always trying to find like, what are they called? Like things to hold my camera in the dash so that like I don't have to have it on my vent. So right now I'm using my iPhone 11 Pro to do all my videos, but if you guys have any links for some good I can't bring up the word right now, but you know the things that hold tripods, car tripods or stick-on tripods. If you guys find some good ones, please let me know. But I need to drive now, and it's about a 20-minute drive, and I want to kind of like listen to some tunes. So I will see you guys soon. I'm on my way to my mom's. When I'm there, I'll show you guys the view there because it's always so pretty during the night, this time of the day. But yeah, see you guys soon. As you can see, I'm not at my mom's, I'm at home. This is actually the day after. I forgot to finish along with my day yesterday because I'm just terrible with that. That's why most of the times my vlogs are gonna be kind of like scattered all over the place like I am, because some days I'm on it, some days I'm not. But yeah, we worked a bit. Now I've got to clean. I think one of Josh's friends are coming over to hang out with him, so I've got to get the house clean for that. I got stuff for dinner. I don't know if I'm gonna be making a big meal or just something little for the girls, but that's pretty much what I'm doing now. It's about 4:30, so I should probably get on with that because I know Josh is gonna be home soon to shower and whatnot. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly pop in and kind of give you guys an update with what I'm doing. Do you guys keep your trees up till the day after Christmas, or do you guys keep yours up till New Year? New Year. I meant to say New Year's, not New Yours. I can't be bothered to do my tree right now because it's just so pretty to look at. Look at it, it's so pretty. But I've got a whole bunch of mess to clean. So like I said, I'm gonna stop talking and get on with it. Guys, look at these burgers I'm making right now. So I was gonna show you guys the burgers I made, but we kind of ate them, so didn't really document them. But I will say that I whipped up some good burgers in 20 minutes because those were so tasty. Now me and the girls are gonna kind of chill out because Josh just left to go to his friends. His friend didn't come here now, so clean for no reason. I mean, not really, but we're gonna chill out now. Probably play some Crash or watch some television, and then in about an hour I'm gonna get the girls ready for bed, get them bathed and cleaned up and ready to sleep. So I'm gonna call it a night for this day 2 of the week vlog or something. I didn't realize the time, but it's currently 7:50 at night, and totally forgot that I gotta get the kids to bed. Secret Life of Pets 2, right?
Yeah, and it also with a tiger and some of this water.
Oh. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna get them to bed now because it's 10 minutes to bedtime, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Guys, Meredith just woke up, and I really want to know why. If you guys haven't watched Grey's Anatomy or have gotten this far, please tell me how far you've gotten, what you like so far about it, and what you think is going to happen, because I love hearing people's thoughts about the show because it's just so fascinating. But yeah, I'm going to stop talking like I always do and get back to my show. Guys, Meredith is being put on a ventilator right now. What are you doing, baby? Explain this clip. So I had no idea Josh was doing this while I was trying to make him his tea, and when I looked back it just gave me a really good laugh, so I just wanted to put it in here because if it made me laugh, I'm sure it'll make someone else laugh. But if it did, let me know in the comments. What was that though? Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoy my family. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up. But I would really like it if you guys would join my community, because I really want to make my YouTube something of importance if you guys get that. You guys have a great night. Bye.